Gedik Holding set sail for its long journey 50 years ago with the production of one single type of welding electrode. As one of the first and most outstanding welding engineers in Turkey, the late Mr. Halil Kaya Gedik began his career as a manager of welding electrode producer Bohler at the beginning of the 1960s. He was born in 1933 as the son of an artisan in the Anatolian city Uşak. Following graduation from the Mechanical Engineering Department of Istanbul Technical University, he went to Germany to continue his undergraduate studies. He obtained a mechanical engineering diploma from Staatliche University Konstanz and specialized in welding engineering. Upon completion of his education in Germany, he returned to Turkey and started to work as an engineer in the State Railways factory in Eskişehir and took part in the first ever domestic automobile project, Devrim, which means revolution. Mr. Halil Kaya Gedik made significant contributions to the speedy financial success of Bohler, thanks to his enthusiasm, perseverance, courage, and decisiveness. Following the incorporation of Gedik Welding Inc., he became the innovative pioneer in the sector via university industry cooperations and ceaseless investments. Throughout the past 50 years, Gedik Welding Inc. has always attributed utmost importance to R&D, kept pace with technological developments, and continuously enriched its product diversity, and thus became a global power in the welding sector, with its own brand name of GEKA for welding consumables. Gedik Holding has been continuously increasing its global market share via high product quality, reliability, and a wide product range, which secures its leadership position as the most sought-after welding brand in almost every industrial field, such as energy, naval construction, automotive, machine construction, piping, and railway transportation sectors. Under the GEKA Mac brand in welding machines, GEKA Robot brand in automation technologies, and the GEKA brand, which embraces the widest product range of welding consumables, such as welding electrodes, welding wires, and submerged arc welding fluxes. Gedik Holding has become the market leader by providing continuously high-quality products and prompt and effective solutions.